On today's menu, an easy drink recipe that's filled with a whole lot to love. Vegan salted caramel latte.
Lay home ma everyone, I'm Wil Yeung. It's the season for salted caramel lattes.
1 tablespoon maple butter. A generous pinch pink salt. 1.5 cups coconut or almond milk. Stir. Two shots espresso. Steam. Splash of maple syrup. Espresso. Steamed milk. You can now make this decadent drink with absolute confidence.
With just a few ingredients, you have this amazing drink that competes with the most fancy coffee shops. Remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.